Every time I'm doing something that is not essential, I'm giving up on something that is essential. Greg McKeown. My friends, we see stocks are up for the day, bonds are down, gold and Bitcoin are up. Stocks aren't up much, 0.37% when it comes to the S&P 500. I'm doing this a little early because I'm getting on the road for the holiday, but I'll still be coming to you. As long as these markets are open, we'll be doing our show each and every day, no matter where we are, God willing. Let's jump into the charts. We can see where things were down in the morning and a doji in the afternoon. So up just a little bit. We see that the STC is red and still heading down. Of course, in the last few days, we've blown through that 200 EMA on the half-day chart. Where are we on the 2-day? Well, it has bounced off the 200 EMA and is stroking down. We see as things are moving down, the STC is quite negative and moving down strongly, along with these two-day candles heading down strongly. Where are we on the weekly? It's not gone red yet, and it is still a fairly good distance above the 200 EMA on that weekly chart. But going into the second week of down movement, again, further down than it was over the prior week. So our market's going back to bear markets. You're starting to hear that again. So we shall wait, we shall watch and see. Remember what happens with markets. They go down like stair steps. They'll go down, they'll equalize, move up a little bit or sideways. It'll reset the STC for us, and then allow us to jump back into the move. So don't get impatient. Follow the plan. Where are we on the from the S&P 500 to the NASDAQ 100 half-day chart? The tech stocks, again, down in the morning, recovered some in the afternoon. We're up right now 0.13%. Have a red spinning top there. STC is red. 2-day chart. It's going red as of this latest 2-day candle, second 2-day candle. Things are heading down. Where are we as far as the STC goes on the 2-day chart? We are well below the golden line. Did I say STC? EMA, the exponential moving average. And when we look at the weekly chart, we can see where things have really stroked over, heading down, really slamming through that 200 EMA, exponential moving average, heading down. Still green on the STC, so we'll wait, watch, and see just how negative things will go. Where are we on 20-year bonds? Well, 20-year bonds have cleared through. This afternoon, the 200 EMA heading back down. We also see now, remember, when it comes to 20-year bonds, both the 2-day and the weekly are well below the 200 EMA. That is going red now. Still green on the STC, our indicator. But of course, we can see that after solid green up movement, we're seeing things starting to roll over. First red candle in 5 weeks on the weekly chart. STC still green there too. So again, we'll see how things continue to devolve when it comes to bonds. It's tough out there. Down 1.75% on bonds. Gold, unlike bonds, up the opposite amount, 1.75%, which is nice to see. We've been talking about this. Now, red, we went to green on the STC in the morning, and we were talking about this yesterday. We're below the 200 EMA, though, aren't we? And I'm sorry, the exact opposite. We're above the 200 EMA. That's what we were talking about yesterday. And the 2-day chart also above the 200 EMA and in the green. And where are we on the weekly? Also above the 200 EMA and heading up. So as we discussed yesterday, perhaps having a trigger pull point, which you did have. How many of you guys jumped into that? Well, that's where you go and you set things up for an up move. We'll see if we will finally move above these trigger points where things just sort of collapsed on us about the 169.75 last time. Are we going to get over that and move ahead? We shall see. Where are we again? Again, we are hoping with all this up movement, clearing, again, the 2-day, and that weekly has been above for a while. We'll continue to see gold move up. I'm excited about it. As I've told you guys, I've kept wanting to go long on gold. It's failed us the last 2 times. Let's hope this one will be a winner. Where are we on Bitcoin? Bitcoin's up some for the day, 2.30%. The next highest for the day, of course, was gold at 1.74%. So as Bitcoin is again, after 1, 2, 3 days of collapsing price, moving up a little bit for the day, still red on the STC on that half-day chart. 2-day, still red down candles there, green on the STC. And where we really are, we'll look at overall where are we on this weekly chart. We've had down movement 4 weeks back in mid-July to early August of some up movement, then collapsing again. 2 weeks in late October of up movement, then collapsing again. And then, of course, these last 2 weeks, the 5th and the 12th of December, trying to move up and back into the red again. We're just waiting for Bitcoin to finally settle out and give us some long-term positive moves. That stuff is not happening right now. Hope you guys are getting ready for our Jewish friends out there. Happy Hanukkah. Christian friends, Merry Christmas. Hope you all are looking forward to spending wonderful time with family. Of course, that is very important this time of year. We always love to hear from you. CW@chartingwealth.com. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.